Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. Which lost trilogy of Aeschylus is known only through fragments and later references? A. The Lycurgia, B. The Pentheus trilogy, C. The Danaid tetralogy, D. The Niobe trilogy. The right answer is option A. The Lycurgia. Next question. In Sophocles, Oedipus at Cernunnos, which deity's grove is central to the play's setting? A. Apollo, B. Dionysus, C. Poseidon, D. The Eumenides. The right answer is option D. The Eumenides. Next question. Which Euripidean play presents the earliest known dramatic use of the resurrection motif? A. Alcestis, B. Helen, C. Ion, D. Hippolytus. The right answer is option A. Alcestis. Next question. Aristophanes, the wasps primarily satirizes which Athenian political figure? A. Pericles, B. Cleon, C. Alcibiades, D. Nicias. The right answer is option B. Cleon. Next question. In Aeschylus, Agamemnon, which metaphor describes Cassandra's prophetic but ignored warnings? A. A nightingale's cry, B. A broken lyre, C. A trapped bird, D. A useless bow. The right answer is option C. A trapped bird. Next question. Sophocles used a unique innovation in staging, the introduction of which dramatic element? A. The second actor, B. The third actor, C. The prologue, D. The Stasimen. The right answer is option B. The third actor. Next question. In Euripides, Electra, the recognition, anagnoresis, occurs through what device? A. A scar, B. A lock of hair, C. A ring, D. A story from childhood. The right answer is option A. Scar. Next question. Aristophanes' piece features which fantastic mode of transportation? A. A flying ram, B. A giant dung beetle, C. A ship made of clouds, D. A winged tortoise. The right answer is option B. A giant dung beetle. Next question. In Aeschylus, 7 against Thebes, which brother is associated with the shield showing a woman leading an armed man? A. Eteocles, B. Polynices, C. Tydeus, D. Parthenopaeus. The right answer is option B. Polynices. Next question. Which Sophoclean play features the unusual dramatic device of a silent major character? A. Ajax, B. Philoctetes, C. Trachiniai, D. Oedipus the King. The right answer is option A. Ajax, Tecmesa's silence. Next question. The Deus ex machina appears most frequently in the works of which dramatist? A. Aeschylus, B. Sophocles, C. Euripides, D. Aristophanes. The right answer is option C. Euripides. Next question. The satyr play Cyclops is attributed to which playwright? A. Aeschylus, B. Sophocles, C. Euripides, D. Aristophanes. The right answer is option C. Euripides. Next question. Aristophanes' Frogs contains a debate between which two tragedians? A. Aeschylus and Sophocles, B. Euripides and Agathon, C. Aeschylus and Euripides, D. Sophocles and Ion. The right answer is option C. Aeschylus and Euripides. Next question. In Aeschylus, Prometheus bound, the chorus consists of whom? A. Danaids, B. Oceanids, C. Nereids, D. Maenads. The right answer is option B. Oceanids. Next question. Sophocles died before the performance of which of his plays? A. Oedipus the King, B. Antigone, C. Oedipus at Cernunnos, D. Philoctetes. The right answer is option C. Oedipus at Cernunnos. Next question. Euripides' Bacchae contains which rare phenomenon for tragedy? A. A protagonist who is a god, B. A comic chorus, C. A choral ode in complete dactylic hexameter, D. A double epilogue. The right answer is option A. A protagonist who is a god, Dionysus. Next question. Aristophanes' Lysistrata centers on which political conflict? A. Persian wars, B. Peloponnesian war, C. Sicilian expedition, D. Corcyraean affair. The right answer is option B. Peloponnesian war. Next question. Sophocles' Trachiniai explores the death of which hero? A. Achilles, B. Theseus, C. Heracles, D. Jason. The right answer is option C. Heracles. Next question. Euripides' Ion is set primarily in which temple? A. Delphi, B. Eleusis, C. Dodona, D. Olympia. The right answer is option A. Delphi. Next question. Aristophanes' Women at the Thesmophoria parodies the works of which tragedian? A. Aeschylus, B. Sophocles, C. Euripides, D. Agathon. The right answer is option C. Euripides. Next question. In Aeschylus, Eumenides, Athena resolves the conflict by introducing what political institution? A. The bull, B. The Areopagus court, C. The ecclesia, D. The strategoi. The right answer is option B. The Areopagus court. Next question. In Sophocles, Philoctetes, who persuades Neoptolemus to deceive Philoctetes? A. Athena, B. Heracles, C. Odysseus, D. Ajax. The right answer is option C. Odysseus. Question for you. Euripides, Hippolytus features a chorus composed of whom? A. Athenian maidens, B. Trezenian women, C. Spartan matrons, D. Delphi priestesses. Submit the right answer below in the comment box.